Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Spyderco Nirvana here with me for a quick review. I just want to thank my buddy Blake for lending me this guy to check it out. This is, it's a discontinued product by Spyderco. You need to find one in the secondary market and it's going to be around $500–600. This is made in the factory in Taiwan, in Taichung, right over here. And it's a beautiful frame lock, integral titanium handle, 5-inch long, just beautiful. Like, look at this, just like these grooves, like they are revealing the raw titanium. Fantastic, like with a nice matte finish to it, a very slight stone wash, just beautiful. The blade is a nice clip point blade, 3.7-inch long in S90V steel, with a pretty cool stone wash, dark finish, saber grind, nice tip, nice wedge. I mean, lots of things going on. The sound this guy makes, it's like that. This flips like a boss. It's beautiful, it's loud, it's strong, it's resounding. It's very, very nice action indeed. This is running on bearings, sorry. It's gonna be 4 ounces in the pocket. The pocket clip is, the classic Spyderco pocket clip. I mean, not a big fan of that, but this is, you can always change it if you don't like it. The grip, it's okay. There's a little bit of hot spot going on here because it's a little bit on the sharp side. When you just squeeze it, I'm getting a little bit of hot spot over here, but not a big deal. The lock bar tension is a little bit on the high side, so it's gonna be, you're gonna need quite some strength to push it this side. You have a nice jimping going on actually over here, which is gonna give a nice grip. Overall, very smooth. It's fast. The detent, it makes this blade like fire, like rocket. Very, very good. As I said, it's running on bearings, so overall the action is it's very smooth. Okay, but if you want to know more, please check out the full-length review. But thanks for watching and stay tuned.